When it comes to finding the perfect mascara, we all want something that adds drama without the hassle, right? Whether you're after a bold look for a night out or something simple for daily wear, the LA Colors Biggie Lash Tubing Mascara promises to give you fuller, thicker lashes with a smooth application. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see if this one is the game changer your lash routine has been waiting for. So, here's the deal with this mascara. It's designed to give you that dramatic volume with a formula that's smooth and creamy, making it super easy to apply. The rich pigments ensure your lashes get that bold, intense color without the dreaded clumping. Plus, it's supposed to be long-wearing, resisting smudging, flaking, and running, essential for anyone who's ever had to deal with mascara stains on their clothes or under-eye smudges. As far as application goes, I was impressed by how easily it glided onto my lashes. The formula is creamy, and there's none of that stiff, sticky feeling some mascaras tend to leave behind. I didn't have to worry about tugging or smearing. It was smooth sailing all the way through. And let's talk about volume. After just one coat, my lashes looked thicker and fuller, just as promised. It gave that dramatic, I woke up like this effect without needing multiple layers. I wore it throughout the day to test its claim of being long-wearing. Now, if you're like me and deal with oily skin or humidity, finding a mascara that doesn't flake or smudge can be a challenge. I was pleasantly surprised to see this mascara held up well, with no smudging or flaking by the end of the day. This one definitely seems like it's made for those who need a mascara that can handle a full day of activities without constantly checking for smudges. Now, let's break it down. Pros: smooth application. The creamy texture makes it easy to apply without clumping. Rich pigmentation. The deep black color really stands out, giving you bold, dramatic lashes. Volume boosting. It delivers instant volume and thickness. Your lashes look fuller with just one coat. Long wearing. No smudging, flaking, or running throughout the day, which is a win for anyone with busy schedules. Cruelty-free and vegan. Great for those who prefer products that aren't tested on animals and contain no animal-derived ingredients. Cons: not waterproof. While it resists smudging, it's not waterproof, so it may not hold up in extremely sweaty conditions or on rainy days. Packaging. It's functional, but I do wish it had a slightly sleeker design, something a bit more luxurious looking. In terms of value for money, I think the LA Colors Biggie Lash Tubing Mascara is pretty solid. Considering the results it delivers, bold, voluminous lashes without clumping or smudging, it definitely feels worth the price. For anyone on the hunt for an affordable mascara that works well day to day, this one could be a great addition to your makeup bag. Now, if you're looking for something a bit higher end, there are options like Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara or Lancôme Monsieur Big that also promise volume and long-lasting wear, but they come at a premium price point. That said, if you're after a wallet-friendly option, this mascara holds its own. So, what about build quality and longevity? The mascara itself feels well made, and the formula lasts as long as you need it to, with no issues like drying out. I didn't experience any major flaking, and I found that it didn't dry out too quickly either, which is important for getting consistent results. Before we wrap up, I want to know, has this review been helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on this mascara, check the link in the comments. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out to LA Colors directly, but the brand has a solid reputation for responsiveness, so I feel confident you'd be well taken care of should you have any questions or issues with the product. For those of you on the hunt for alternatives, you could also look at Maybelline's Lash Sensational or CoverGirl's Lash Blast Volume, both of which are fantastic options and often run promotions, making them a great alternative if you're budget conscious. Now, in summary, this mascara lives up to its promise of providing bold, voluminous lashes without the mess. It's long-wearing, easy to apply, and the pigmentation is on point. For the price, it's definitely worth a try. If you're someone who loves a dramatic lash look but doesn't want to spend a fortune, I'd say give this one a go. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.